Today I would like to do a hand-on on State Manager, which Apple introduced on iPadOS 16. It is still in beta, but you can see it work fluidly. Unfortunately, with this feature, it is only available on the iPad Pro M1, which means that if you have the older iPad, even though you're able to update to iOS 16, you may not be able to use this feature because it is only exclusive for iPad Pro 2021. So this is another breakthrough for iPad, and I think that it works better, much better when you want to use multiple apps at the same times. You can see I can switch into any app. It is quicker and better. With this feature, it's accessible on Control Center, so if you swipe down, you can go ahead and see this feature, and then you can disable or enable it. There is an option in setting too. If you want to enable it, just go ahead and go into home screen and multitasking, and then under State Manager, you're gonna find the enable button right there. So this you can resize it, and you can make it smaller or bigger depending on the size that you want, so you can run more app at the same time. Like this one. So it worked best in my opinion. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this quick hand-on, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.